Good morning and welcome to another sales video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood. This morning we are showcasing our Volvo XC90. It's a 2.4 D5 executive model. So this car was registered at the start of 2013 on a 62 plate. It's done 113,000 miles. But it has only had 2 owners from new. It has a very full service history, 12 services, recently been serviced, and at 104,000 miles it had the cam belt replaced by Volvo. In fact, the majority of the service history is all Volvo. Finished in metallic black. You'll notice it has lovely Yokohama SUV tyres on, has the daytime running lights, which are on down there in the front bumper, headlamp power wash, silver roof rails, silver mirrors, privacy glass, has the off black leather executive seats with the cream stitching. Executive doesn't normally comes with heated seats as standard, but this had an upgrade. It has the ventilated, so air conditioned seats as well. Driver's seat leather's not worn, no real signs of wear on the interior. It's been very well looked after. It's got the satellite navigation that rises up out of the dashboard. It's got the upgraded premium sound system. It's got Bluetooth folding mirrors, so heated seats, electric seats, memory seats, ventilated seats. Obviously it's a 7-seater. Also has the upgrade, has rear heated seats. There's the button. So front and rear heated seats. If we look in the back, 6th and 7th seats, the 3rd row seats are up, and it's complete with the parcel shelf. Rear park sensors, no tow bar, it's never had one fitted, so it's never towed. So the parcel shelf is in there, and the luggage net is in there to stop anything in the boot if you're not using the 7-seater. If you brake hard, stops anything, the luggage net stops anything coming into the front of the car, keeps all your luggage in the back. No real dents or scratches. Really nice example. Lovely wheels, lovely tyres. I'll just show you the driver's seat. $113,522 miles. Cam belt replaced at 104. Fantastic full service history. Electric memory seats, plastic's not broken on the side of the seat, which is quite common. Ventilated seat, Bluetooth. So priced at $11,495, drives very well. Thank you for watching today. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, our website, to look at our other stock. We normally have more than one Volvo XC90 in stock. Or visit our social media channels, Facebook or Insta, Barclay Motor Company, or go to YouTube where this video will be shown and find Barclay Motor Company's YouTube channel, and please subscribe, and then you'll be the first to see our videos, our fresh stock as it arrives. You'll get a notification. Once again, thank you for watching. Goodbye.